5 benefits of taking raw garlic every day and the best ways to take it. If you follow our videos at all, then you know that we are big proponents of incorporating raw foods into your diet. When it comes to garlic, one of the easiest ways to incorporate it into your diet is by eating raw garlic. Garlic has so many benefits that it's no surprise why it was used as a staple in almost every culture for thousands of years. In this video, we will be exploring some of the top benefits of taking raw garlic every day and the best ways to take it. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out on our latest videos. Why you need raw garlic in your daily routine. For those of you who have been on the raw food bandwagon for a couple of weeks already, then you have most likely already jumped into the raw garlic game. This is great because garlic is a very easy food to incorporate into your diet. You can eat it as raw garlic in salads by crushing raw garlic and applying it to your salad, or you can eat it as raw garlic pills. In terms of raw garlic being beneficial, the most basic reason is that it gives you all of the benefits of garlic with none of the negative side effects like bad breath and yellow teeth. If you're looking to incorporate garlic in your diet, but you're worried about the side effects, then raw garlic is the perfect solution. 5 benefits of raw garlic. Natural antibiotic. Allicin, the compound found in raw garlic, has potent antibacterial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria. It has been shown to be effective against a range of bacteria, including some strains that have become resistant to antibiotics. Raw garlic can help prevent and treat infections such as food poisoning, urinary tract infections, and skin infections. Promotes heart health. Raw garlic contains compounds that can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. High blood pressure and cholesterol are 2 major risk factors for heart disease. By lowering these levels, raw garlic can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, raw garlic can help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can also contribute to heart disease. Powerful antioxidant. Raw garlic is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of many chronic diseases, including cancer. Raw garlic can help neutralize free radicals and protect your body from their harmful effects. Strengthens digestion. Raw garlic can help promote a healthy digestive system by stimulating the production of digestive juice and enzymes. It can also help regulate the gut microbiome, the community of microorganisms that live in your digestive tract. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for good digestion and overall health. Fights against viruses. Raw garlic has antiviral properties that can help fight against viruses responsible for many common infections, such as the flu, the common cold, and more. It can also help boost your immune system, making it better to fight off viral infections. Some studies have shown that raw garlic extract can even be effective against certain viruses that are resistant to traditional antiviral medications. 5 ways to get the most from your raw garlic. If you love the taste and aroma of garlic, there are plenty of ways to incorporate it into your cooking. Here are some ideas to get you started. First, consider adding minced or crushed garlic to your salad dressing. This is an easy way to give your salads a garlicky kick. You can also add garlic to vinaigrettes or homemade mayonnaise for extra flavor. Another idea is to make garlic butter. Simply mix minced garlic with softened butter and use it as a spread on bread, roasted vegetables, or grilled meats. The garlic butter will infuse your dish with a delicious aroma and taste. Garlic can also be used to enhance dips and spreads like hummus, tzatziki, or baba ganoush. Adding minced or crushed garlic to these dips will give them a savory flavor. You can even make a garlic-infused olive oil to drizzle on top for an extra burst of flavor. If you want to try something different, roast a whole head of garlic in the oven until it's soft and caramelized. Roasted garlic has a sweet and mild flavor and can be used in a variety of dishes. Lastly, add minced or crushed garlic to soups and stews for added flavor and health benefits. Garlic pairs particularly well with chicken, beef, and vegetable-based soups. Allicin. Introducing the powerful weight loss supplement that can help you shed those extra pounds faster than ever before. The product is formulated with natural ingredients that work together to increase your body's core temperature, which can help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. With regular use, you'll see noticeable results and feel more confident in your body. Plus, the supplement is designed to support your overall health and wellness. Don't wait any longer to start your weight loss journey. Try the supplement today and see the difference for yourself. With the product by your side, your weight loss goals are within reach. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out Alpiline, click the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed, and we will catch you in the next one.